Hey guys, today we have an Asus u56e. The last video of Asus u56e we made a couple of years ago, and I decided to update the videos because we have much better camera, much better angles, so we can pretty much show you how it's done right away. So um, this is the jack right here, and the client basically tells us that it doesn't work. So when we plug it in, you wanna see, so basically the minus is working, the plus does not conduct anything. So let me show you how to take it apart and basically fix it. Let me reposition the camera a little bit so you see better. Alright, let's begin. You want to remove the SD card from here. Alrighty, so here like that. I will get it next time. Alright, so here seems like there is the screw right here. Okay, so it seems like all of the screws on this side got unscrewed. Okay, right. So, by the way, we are based out of Chicago, so if you're local, stop by, we can fix it in an hour. You could send us the whole laptop, it's $100. You could send us just the motherboard at $60. That does include the return shipping back to you. So, here, what we need to get done here is separate the clamps. want to put the glasses on, because plastic stuff always goes into your eyes. Alright. Okay, and here you wanna lift up the hinge right there. Okay, one more screw right here. Alright, and below we got a couple of wires which we need to disconnect, keyboard and touchpad. And now we remove the top cover. Here we disconnect the cable right here for the speakers, cable for the USB ports and the audio outputs. We wanna disconnect the wireless card altogether. Like that. Move it up, remove it. And you wanna disconnect this webcam cable. Now you wanna disconnect the LCD cable slowly and easily. Alright. And now we unscrew everything that we see here. Okay. Alright. Something just froze on my screen. So here, hopefully everything is fine now. Like that. And now we are ready to lift it up from the casing, like that. Set the whole thing aside. So again, if you send us just the motherboard, like that, it's going to be $60 total. The problem here, I will wait for it to focus. Right, you see the back pin right here. You see the crack in there. You know what, let me focus it manually. So here you see the crack in the back of the pin right here. That's your problem basically. So we need to remove the jack. Basically the rear pin, the positive pin, is no longer conducting the electricity. So let me show you how to remove it from the motherboard. Again, if for some reason you cannot do it yourself, just ship it our way, we're gonna fix it, don't worry about it, alright? So let's zoom in. Okay, let's turn this as in focus. Alright, now we wanna go with this. Alrighty, I think it's good. This is the new jack right here. Plug it in there, like that. And now the easiest part is to solder it up. Alright. Now you want to solder it on both sides, on the top and bottom, so that the solder would be penetrated everywhere. So yeah, that's basically how you replace the jack. You want to double check and see if it's conducting the electricity just fine. Yeah, alright. Now let's enable the optical focus again. Like that. If you like the video, please leave a like below the video, because that's the way to keep the channel going. So we don't have any advertisements or anything like that, so the only thing we advertise is our business. But no ads, no interruptions. Pretty much straightforward. Straightforward video with no interruptions. I'm gonna put a little tape on top here, and we want to put some tape on the bottom here. And that's basically the back of the jack, of the broken jack. You see the leg is broken off basically. Push that. Alrighty. Now let's put this in here, and let's put this here. Lift up all the extra stuff out of the way. Connect the speakers right here. Connect the board right here. Connect the webcam here. Like that. And connect the wireless card. Make sure all the cables are in place. Let me first so now let's connect the cable. Okay. Connect the cable. Now we got few screws we need to screw in. Okay, so one is right here. Alright. Another one is right here. And another one Another one right here. Alrighty. Now we connect the monitor, the screen, the LCD cable. Could be an LED, go figure. Nowadays you don't know if it's LCD or LED already. Let's put the top cover back on. Now when you're putting the cover back on, you need to connect the... there is no easy way to connect the touchpad and the keyboard. So here. Okay. Well, I can't really put the camera at that of an angle, but you connect the keyboard here. And you connect the touchpad like that. Okay. Close it down, make sure everything snaps together. Okay, really good system on i5. Very well made, big screen, I like it. Alrighty, so hard drive goes in like that. Like that. CD-ROM goes in right here. Like that. This thing gonna go on top. Alright, and we got one of those SD card fillers that go in right here. Alright. Now, I like to start with the smallest screws. Smallest, tiniest one. Problem is, I'm not sure if those screws are from this Opera, because the laptop was obviously taken apart before, and the screws are not in the right places where they need to be. So I'm making sure I'm not going to penetrate anything below what's needed to be penetrated. Like that. Okay. We got one more, but I don't want to shove anything longer than needed in that slot. So here, let's put... this should be the biggest screws ever. Those two. Sorry, yeah. Different angle. Boom. Alrighty, again, u56e. Please leave a like if you like the video. Let's test it again. We have power jack repair, laptop repairs are $100, and that's all inclusive, the labor, the parts, and everything else. So let's see. We've got the power support here, which we don't have for this system. Not a problem, we will have power supply. Okay, so we got a slightly compatible adapter, and let's plug it in. Okay. The battery is out, so there is no other power source. Power it up, our lights come up here, and we got lights. Alright. So, yeah, leave a like, thanks so much for watching, and have a good day. Thanks. Bye.